Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how blueberries, those small, tasty, and fragrant fruits, are grown and harvested? Today we're going to take an exciting journey into the world of blueberries. There are two popular types of blueberries, low bush and high bush. But did you know that the blueberries you usually see at the supermarket are high bush blueberries? Come with me to a high bush blueberry farm and let's see how they grow and care for these delicious berries that we all love. Every journey starts with preparation, right? Growing blueberries is no different. To have a good harvest, soil preparation is crucial. Blueberries thrive in soil with a pH level between 4.5 and 5.5, which means they prefer acidic soil. The best time to plant blueberries is early spring or late fall. Creating raised beds and fertilizing before planting is very important to help the seedlings grow quickly and healthily. Young blueberry plants are usually carefully grown and cared for in nurseries before being transferred to the fields for official planting. During this stage, the seedlings are grown in a controlled environment where they receive enough light, water, and nutrients needed for strong growth. This careful care ensures that the blueberry plants will have healthy root systems and adapt well when moved to the fields, where they will continue to grow and bear fruit. After planting, don't forget to water the plants enough to help them take root and grow well. Water is very important, especially during the first year. However, growing blueberries isn't just about watering and waiting. Potential threats like pests are always lurking. That's why farmers must stay vigilant and be ready to spray pesticides when necessary. To keep blueberry plants healthy and ready for the fruiting season, pruning is essential. At the end of winter or the beginning of spring, we need to remove dead or diseased branches and trim the plant so that light and air can reach the center of the bush. From planting to flowering, it takes blueberries 2 to 3 years. Workers must put in a lot of effort and dedication to care for the plants. Watering, fertilizing, and pest control must be done regularly and precisely. Blueberry plants are capable of self-pollination, but to achieve high yields and the best quality fruit, cross-pollination between different blueberry varieties is needed. To ensure this process is effective, millions of bees are brought into blueberry fields. The presence of bees in blueberry farms is not only an important part of sustainable agriculture, but also a key factor that helps growers achieve bountiful harvests with delicious, juicy blueberries. After several years of careful care, finally the blueberries are ready to be harvested. The blueberry harvest season typically runs from May to August. Every year, thousands of workers flock to blueberry farms for the harvest. Thanks to their hard work, these workers can earn between $300 and $500 USD per day. In 2022, the United States, with its focus on sustainability, remained one of the largest blueberry producers in the world. With an impressive production of 300,000 tons, it not only meets domestic demand, but is also exported to many other countries. Hand harvesting is the best way to ensure you only pick the sweetest, ripest blueberries. Simply roll the berry gently between your thumb and forefinger and let the ripe blueberry fall into your hand. Look at these fresh, delicious blueberries. Would you like to come and taste them right off the bush? In addition to hand harvesting, using machinery to harvest blueberries also offers many benefits, especially on large farms. Machinery significantly boosts productivity, allowing large quantities of blueberries to be harvested in a shorter time compared to hand picking. This not only meets market demand efficiently, but also helps reduce labor costs. This is a crucial factor in the context of rising labor costs and labor shortages. Moreover, machinery operates continuously and reliably, unaffected by human fatigue or mistakes, ensuring a smooth harvesting process. Although the initial investment in machinery is quite high, In the long run, it provides great economic benefits by saving on costs and increasing production efficiency. With advancements in technology, modern machines are also designed to minimize damage to plants and fruits, improving the quality of the final product. Have you ever wondered how blueberries are processed after harvest to maintain their freshness? After being harvested, the blueberries are transported to the processing plant and immediately cooled to preserve their best quality and prevent any potential damage. Then they are washed and carefully sorted, removing any unripe or damaged berries. Everything is inspected by an advanced AI system, which analyzes each berry individually, ensuring that only the top quality blueberries reach your hands. Finally, the blueberries are carefully packaged before being delivered to consumers. You can see that with the involvement of AI systems, the inspection and sorting process can be automated, saving time and labor costs, while ensuring consistency and accuracy in the sorting of blueberries. Does this make you admire the perfection in every little detail? It's hard not to be amazed by the power of modern technology, and that's why we've walked through the entire process together, from cultivation to blueberry harvest. It truly is an incredible feat, isn't it? Each blueberry is the result of the hard work and dedication of so many people. Besides being delicious, blueberries are also packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a superfood that offers numerous health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on the next exciting journeys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.